Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Vadacurry is an amazing dish and it's very popular in Tamil Nadu. However, there are variations to this one and today I'm going to show you all a proper Chennai style vadacurry. Different from the usual style, I'm not going to be deep frying the vadas now. So if you want to know more, let's get right into the recipe and check it out. To a bowl, add 200 grams of Chana Dal and wash it well. To this, add 3 red chilies, a teaspoon of Fennel Seeds, pour enough water and soak it for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, strain the soaked dal and add it to the mixer jar. Grind the soaked dal a bit coarsely. Do not grind it to a fine paste. You can open the jar at intervals for a proper grind. Usually vadacurry is made using vadas. In this recipe, we are not going to use the vadas. It's going to be a little different, so let's get started. Take a wide pan, heat it and add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Now add the ground mixture and roast it on medium heat until it becomes nice and crumbly. Cook the mixture till it becomes completely dry. Since I have not added any salt while grinding the mixture, I am adding a little now. Make sure you cook the mixture well. Let me know in what style you prepare your vada curries at home in the comment section below. Wow, this smells so good. This is the most simple way to do the vada curry rather than making the vadas and processing them. Once the mixture becomes dry and crumbly, turn off the stove and transfer the mixture and keep it aside. Now let's prepare the vada curry. To a wide pan, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Next, add the whole spices like 2 bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, fennel seeds and star anise and saute them well. Next, I'm adding 2 large onions finely chopped. Let the onions cook well for about 2 minutes. Next, add the green chilies and saute. Now, if you prefer less spice, you can reduce the number of green chilies. The onions have turned to a nice golden color. At this time, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and a few curry leaves. Also, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped and saute everything well. Cook the tomatoes till they become a little mushy. Now add a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix everything completely so it's all well combined. At this point, I'm just adding a little water to cook the masala. Now add 2 more cups of water and let it cook for a few minutes. When the water starts boiling, add the dal mixture and give it all a nice mix. Let the mixture absorb the water slowly. Once it starts to become thick, close the pan with the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Wow, the aroma is just incredible. The dal is cooked beautifully and it's all well combined with the masala. Finally, finish off by adding some chopped coriander leaves. This aromatic Chennai Vada curry is ready to be served nice and hot. If the curry becomes a little thick and cold at the time of serving, just make sure to add a little bit of water and heat it again. Now carefully transfer the curry to a bowl. Enjoy this delicious vada curry with some delicious and soft spongy set dosa. I've already given the recipe for the set dosa. Check out the link in the description. This vada curry is a perfect side dish for all dosa and idli varieties. Now the vada curry is ready and what better way to enjoy this vada curry than with this superb soft and spongy set dosa. So I will give the link for the set dosa recipe in the description. Do check it out. Now I would say this is one of the best combinations, set dosa with vada curry. So I'm going to taste it. I will taste it and let you know. Wow. Yummy. Perfect. The flavors are just spot on and they're very, very tasty. That vadacurry is incredibly delicious, and since it doesn't involve any deep frying, it's very wholesome and nourishing, and it's very easy to make. The flavors are excellent, and I'm sure everybody are absolutely going to enjoy it. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.